So for this question, we have to differentiate fx equals to cosine half x. After getting the answer for the differentiation, we sub in x equals to pi into the equation and we get negative half pi as the answer. That's for the first part. Followed by we differentiate the f prime. F2 prime is equals to we differentiate f prime and then we get the answer negative 1/4 cosine half x, and doing the same thing, we sub x equals to pi into the equation and we get 0. Then we do the same thing again, we differentiate the negative 1/4 cosine half x and we get 1/8 sine half x, and we sub in x equals to pi again, we get 1/8 as the answer. And then after that is followed by the Taylor series. We just sub in all the values into the equation of the Taylor series. And from there we plot the graph into the Desmos calculator. So now we are showing the red one is the graph where is y equals to cosine 0.5x. Followed by the blue one, where the new equation that we have found from the Taylor series. So Alif or Anand?
Yes. Okay, so now do the two graphs look exactly the same? No, but where do they look the same? The two graphs do not look the same, but the two graphs intersect when x equals to pi and y equals to 0. Yes, that. Okay. So next question. Okay, what can you do to make the two graphs look more similar? But in order to make the two graphs look more similar, we have to add in more terms into the Taylor series. By adding more terms into the series, to the equation, we can get the graph to fit the cosine half x graph as well as we like. Okay, so then you continue on with the differential of the next few terms. Then you sub in to the graph, and then you get another graph. Alif, show the graph. Yes, you will get the green color graph by adding in more terms. Okay, next, I'll pass it off to Alif. We'll explain the last part.
Okay. Does the new graph look more similar? Yes, it look more similar as the graph is equals y equals to cosine 1 over y half x at this intersecting point and at this end of this intersecting point. What conclusion can you make about approximation of the function using Taylor series? Taylor series is used for approximation of a function at each point. The three graphs seems to be exactly intersect at x equals to pi. Why do you think that is the case? Because when you cosine pi, it will equals to 0.
Dah? Alright? Is that all?
Dah.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.